APPL price will likely extend its current upward trajectory, tracking the broader market's bullish momentum. High visually, in a market where major indices like the S&P 500 and Nasdaq are hitting record highs, an upward sloping trend with higher highs and higher lows is the expected pattern. This is strongly supported by the news indicating fresh inflation. Data is driving the broader market rally, creating a positive sentiment tailwind for large-cap tech stocks like AAPL. Target: continuation of an uptrend, potentially breaking any immediate intraday resistance levels. Time frame: within the next 1 to 2 hours. A minor intraday pullback or consolidation is probable before further upward movement. Medium visually, even strong bullish trends typically exhibit brief periods of profit-taking or consolidation, forming small corrections or flag patterns before resuming the upward path. This is a natural ebb and flow. While the overall market sentiment is highly positive, some traders may take profits after record highs, leading to a temporary retracement before the market-wide bullishness reasserts itself. Target: a small retracement, potentially testing a recent short-term support level, e.g. a 5-minute moving average if visible. Time frame: within the next hour. APPL will demonstrate relative strength and potentially outperform the S&P 500 slightly towards the market close. Medium-high visually, in a strong bull market, leading blue-chip tech stocks often show an accelerating trend or tighter consolidation patterns compared to the broader index as institutional money flows into reliable names. This is reinforced by the news of the S&P 500 and Nasdaq hitting record highs, suggesting a broad risk-on environment where AAPL is a prime candidate for sustained buying interest into the end of the trading day. Target: an increase in positive divergence compared to the SPY or QQQ, or an acceleration of its own price action.